So here we are going to demonstrate about hydraulic crane, portable hydraulic crane. So generally, if there is any weights on loads, they need a larger amount of cranes. Whereas like in a small workshop or else any carrying any larger amount, small weights which consists of a larger amount of weight which cannot be lifted manually, can be done with the help of this portable crane. So here we have used an 2-ton hydraulic cylinder, and entire chassis is made up of with mild steel. So this consists of an free wheels. Here you can lock the wheels so to lift the weight if there is any weight which consists of an where it should not move. So these free wheels can be locked on either side of the wheels so that the frame will not move, so it will be in a still position. So when we need to unlock, you just press the toggle the buttons up, so it will, then you can see the movement. So here we have used an round pipe to move the hydraulic jack freely. So these are the levers. So when we connect these levers to the jack, so we need to tighten the wall over here and put the weight. So you can place and connecting. So these are the iron metals. Okay. So now if you press it to and fro, it starts to move towards the upward direction. You can lift the weight. So like this you can move it forward, backward, left, right easily. So when you want to release this, you just have to loosen the lever from this end, so it will move drastically down. So this is how we can able to demonstrate the portable crane by using hydraulic jack. Thank you.